And welcome back to Noon Edition. Jason Broge, Vice President, Financial Affairs at Ohio Northern University, is our guest. And you guys have kind of joined forces with Mercy Health St. Rita's. And tell us about this new relationship together.
Yeah, so we've been talking to them for the last year to take over our student medical clinic. For the longest time, Ohio Northern University has run its own medical clinic. And while we're in the business of higher education, running our own medical clinic is not really our specialty. So we provide free care for all our students. And we were looking for a common sense partnership. And Mercy's able to bring a lot more offerings to us. And it's going to work out that it'll open up a wider network of care for our students. And we're really excited about it. That's coming in this fall. And it should definitely bring a bigger bench and depth to what happens for our students when they need medical care.
Right. Now, you said actually a lot of schools have already done this. You're a little behind the curve, but hopefully this will catch you up quickly.
Yeah, a lot of schools, I mean, we're in the business of higher education and educating our students, training future leaders. Running food service and running different things is not our core business model, and we're not really good at it. And healthcare is one of those industries that's changed. It's fast-paced and something where now bringing Mercy in, who's been an awesome partner in other ways for us, with our mobile clinic, makes just the most common sense of all for us to transition this over to them. They're experts in this. They have a huge network that our students can benefit from and really give them more expeditious care when needed.
And it probably gives the parents of the students a little more ease of mind knowing that we have someone, if something happens, we have someone qualified to do all this.
That was one of the questions a lot of us, sitting around the table who sent their kids away for college or university, where their student can get there, their son or daughter can get care immediately on campus. That's something that you look at, and when you ask that question of yourself as a parent, even former or latter, it just made sense for us to do this because it helps the students get what they need sooner, and more expertise can be brought in with what Mercy brings and us running it on our own.
Right, and as you mentioned earlier, you're in the business of higher education, so this gives St. Rita's a chance to come in and do what they do best.
Yes, hopefully down the road, we keep looking at expanded partnerships with them in whatever kind of healthcare offerings there are, and they have demonstrated over and over that they're a quality partner for us. So this is just a growing relationship that we have with Mercy.
Now, is this something that will continue maybe even into the athletic side of things where they'll be helping you there? Or I know you hire out some athletic trainers and such.
We have a few athletic trainers that are from Mercy that we contract with them, and we have some of our own, and they have been phenomenal for us, the athletic trainers that they've provided for our sports teams on the events and during practice. So this may grow into something bigger down the road for us. We'll have to wait and see, but we're excited about this and what will happen with it as it grows and where it can continue.
Always good when you have somebody else you can rely on to do the things you're not so good at. So this is a win-win for both parties, I'm sure. Jason Broge, Vice President of Financial Affairs at Ohio Northern University, has been our guest, and we're back with a full look at your weather forecast. Nathan's in next. Don't go away.